Now you know why actors get paid so much money.
Well, all I get is gold stars. So, oh fuck, are you recording?
Yes.
Okay. I'm ready. Is my hair sticking up? I can't tell.
I can't tell. It looks fine from here.
Okay.
Stop it. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Hey, it's Bingo up here at Valley. We got a ton of things happening going on. Yeah, start over again. 3, 2.
What is wrong with you? Take a deep breath. Count to 10.
Hey, it's Bingo up here at Valley. We got a ton of things happening at the dealership this month. And this weekend is...
Oh, I forgot.
Oh,
What's it called? Luck of the Irish.
Irish.
Okay, we're ready. Take a deep breath. Let's just get ready. Are you ready? I'm ready.
I'm ready.
This is stressful today.
You ready?
All right, I'm ready. Let's do it.
All right. Hey, it's Bingo up here at Valley. We got a ton of things happening this month at Valley Harley-Davidson.
Stop up Saturday. We will be having Luck of the Irish. Stop in for some Irish coffee, some Reuben sliders, and also come roll the dice for your chance to win some prizes.
Also, don't forget, we still have Frosty Knuckles going on right now. You'll have till the 30th of March to get your miles turned in. The top 3 guys win 3 prizes.
Good week to get out and get some miles on those bikes. Also, come up here and put some miles on ours. Give me and Miss Kenda a call. We'll get you scheduled for your VIP test ride. See you guys soon. Have a great week.
All right, don't forget it. Weather's warm. Get out and ride them bikes. We'll see you soon.
Bye, guys.
See ya. That was great.
That was a good one. Bingo.